In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide one of your slides or pages in your Canva design or presentation. This should work on any design as well. This doesn't have to be in a presentation, but I'm just doing this example on a presentation. So I'm going to hide this very first slide in this presentation. Just click on the three dots, click on it, and then click on the three dots. And then over here, you'll see hide page. Just click on hide page, and that's it, it's hidden. But if you notice, you still can visit this and you still can edit it on it. The only thing that hide does is that when you present the presentation, it wouldn't show when you present it. So as you can see, we started on the second slide. The summary is the second slide, and we can't really go to the first slide because it's hidden. So yeah, that's what the hide does. And if you want to unhide it, just click on it and then click on the three dots again, and then click on unhide page. It should be located in the same exact spot. And that's it. That's how you can hide one of your slides or pages in your Canva design. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.